Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a mind map in ClickUp. So, by the way, mind maps help you to visualize ideas and plan projects visually. So, first you will go to ClickUp, and once you're here, you will click theme space or the space, and what you will have to do is click view, which you can find right here, this plus button right here, and then you will search for mind map. So once you see it, you will just have to click it, and then just wait for it to load. And um, by the way, you have to make sure that you do have the business plan first before you unlock the mind maps view. So after you unlock that feature, what you will have to do is just name your mind map, and then you will select the list to map tasks. Then you will add nodes, and then you will connect tasks or ideas using branches. Then you will expand or collapse branches so that you will be able to view the hierarchy. So yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, you can also use colors or icons for categorization. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.